Hi there. By the end of this video, you'll learn what questions you can ask to figure out the name of this major key signature. If this is not your first key signature video, try your best to see what the name of the key signature is before I reveal its name at the end. Watch a few more key signature videos and see if you can figure out the names of those key signatures on those videos faster and faster each time, until you learn the process and no longer need a video to help you figure it out for yourself. Let's take a look at the key signature and get started with our first question. Now you can follow along using treble clef or using bass clef, whichever staff is easier for you to learn with, since the process for naming key signatures is the same for any music clef. Okay, in this key signature we can see one sharp. The first of two questions that we need to ask ourselves is, what interval is a second higher than the last sharp in the key signature? Once we find that letter will be the name of the key signature. Okay, here comes that tough question. Where's the last sharp? Well, with only one sharp in the key signature, it's pretty easy to find. Right there is the last sharp in the key signature. And by looking to see what line or space runs through its center, we can see that this sharp's letter name is F, because the middle of the sharp is on the F line of the staff. To help us find a second higher than this, let's find this letter name on the piano keyboard. And how about we use the F? Right there it is, I see it. Right there. Now the distance between two different pitches in music is called an interval. To find the interval of a second higher, we count the music alphabet letter names in their correct order, or to the right on the piano. And in music, we always count the starting pitch as pitch number 1. So let's get counting. F is our first pitch, and to go higher we go to the right. One more to make it a second. G. So an interval of a second higher than F is G. G is the letter name of this key signature. Now, since we're working with sharps in this key signature, some sharp key signature names also include the word sharp in them. And other sharp key signature names don't use the word sharp in their names. So, before we can stop, let's ask ourselves the last question to see if the name of this key signature also includes the word sharp or not. Is that letter sharp, G, one of the sharps in the key signature? Now this is a little silly to ask because there's only one sharp, and we know its name is F. So had there been more sharps up here, this might involve a few more steps, but I think we can see where this is going. If yes, if there were other sharps up there and one of them were named G, then we would have to say this is the key of G sharp. If no, then we just say the letter name without saying the word sharp. We would just say this is the key of G major. So, I won't wait too long for this. Do you see any other G sharps anywhere? Okay, I was hoping you would say no. There are no other sharps, just that F sharp. And because of that reason, we do not see a G sharp in the key signature. That means we do not say the word sharp with this key signature name. So, everybody, this is the key of G major and not G sharp major. Did you figure out the name before it was revealed? Try another key signature video with a different amount of sharps and see how you do. Thanks for watching.